So my friend Gogh and I went to check out the Van Gogh exhibition in Shoreditch. It was lovely. It was so interesting learning about his life and all of his works. Here we are in the room where we did some coloring. We colored one of his famous paintings, and that was quite a fun time. There were some crayons and color pencils, and we got to work. This is my masterpiece. Yeah, and the artist with her art. There was a scanning thing that put up the painting, the coloring, on the wall. We could scan that, and then we went into the main immersive experience. This was the highlight of the whole thing. I felt like I was inside one of Van Gogh's paintings. It was really lovely. Yeah, this was really beautiful. So soothing and calming. A really relaxing place to be. Yeah, this one was a really popular one. There was a really interesting story about this one as well, I think. I wonder what Gogh was thinking about there. Oh yeah, this is the famous painting that we colored earlier. Look at how couples are all cozy. Yeah, this is great for date night, I think. Or a little afternoon activity. Here I am also contemplating my life in deep thought. Grabbed a quick snack from Gail's, and then we were off to the vintage shops at Brick Lane. I got these pants. I couldn't stop thinking about them. Didn't really like this jacket, but I might go back for it, who knows. The store was called Vintage Basement, and then we were off to Canary Wharf to see the lights. These were so underwhelming, to be honest. I don't know what we were expecting, but definitely not this. But yeah, it was a really good day. One of the best, really.